Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life, and today I'm so excited to bring you a gigantic haul from Elf Beads. Okay, so I have had my eye on Elf Beads for pretty much over a year. I keep seeing stuff on Instagram, and they haven't really been sold in the US, or at least that I could find, and I was just, okay, just it's not meant to be. Don't get into a new brand. And then, oh my gosh, one of my dear friends from Instagram started her own bead shop called Beads Candy Shop, and she brought some amazing brands to the United States, which includes Elf Beads. She has a ton of others, and I love Aurora. She's got Aurora, she's got Moress. I love Moress. She's got Ogre. She has a lot. So take a look at her shop. But I was most excited for elf beads because I don't have any elf beads until now. So fair warning, this is a gigantic haul. Bear with me, but I really want you guys to see what I've gotten from elf beads and how beautiful they are. I'm going to start with this set right here. This was the Spring Wonder Dust set, and it just has like some really nice pastel colors here. You see pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And it's very just like spring vibe, Easter vibe, and I think they are darling. So I had to start with this one. And then she also had a Spring Monroe Petite. Here's some of it. I'm gonna actually show you the rest. So you had 5 different colors in this like bigger Petite and then a skinnier Petite. And these are like, no kidding, petite. I actually have, let me just put this here so you can see the difference. Like, they're so tiny. They're so cute. And these ones have like tiny little CZs in there, which I'm usually not a fan of, but I just really like the way this all comes together. And these are petites. They don't, if you're a Pandora person, they're not gonna fit on like your regular Moments bracelets. They're not gonna fit on smooth bracelets, but they will fit on Essence and Pandora Me snake chain, and the Essence bangles too. And I have an example right here. So I was just playing around with this earlier and decided to make a little reel on IGTV to show how these would fit on some like of the Essence bracelets and the Pandora Me, and they do fit. They're not silicone lined, obviously, so they move. So you maybe want some stoppers, especially so they don't fall off the end. But they totally fit on Essence, which is really exciting. So these are the other colors that came with that one. Oh, while we're at it, here's a little petite seahorse I had gotten in one of my purchases too. Love it. So these are 2 of the deals that I was able to pre-order, and they already came. They're so beautiful. I love them. Now I'll go to move on to something I already designed with. I did put these beads on a Pandora bangle with some Pandora clips, but it is the center I want us to focus on. And oh my goodness, I might not know the names of these. I actually don't, for the most part. So I will try to put them here if I can. We'll go to start with the centerpiece. The centerpiece is the Rose Cottage, I believe. And this is exclusive to Mila's shop, to the Beads Candy Shop. Exclusively done by Elf Beads, and it's so beautiful. It's like a little cottage made of roses, and then you have, I don't know if these are windows to the cottage, and they have little hearts, or if it's a door. I think it's so beautiful. And then the weight of this is like really nice. And I like that it doesn't like flip. Like, I like that it's not top heavy. And then, okay, so one of the things that has been catching my eye with Elf Beads is some of their frosted beads. And so this is one of the first ones I picked. You could see it's kind of like has that frosted matte finish to it. And I think it's really fun. And their regular beads fit on Pandora, so that's super exciting. Okay, next up, I have a lot of the rainbow stuff. So a lot of these were done in separate orders because there was a mystery gift at the launch of the shop. And then now there's the deal of the year that Elf Beads does. It is now part of the shop, which allows you to get really cool beads for free. So more on that one later. I'm just going to show you what I purchased, but these are kind of mixed all over the place because now Mila knows how I shop. I'm a little bit of an addict. But I really love these rainbow charms beads. I've seen them on Instagram all over. And I first got the frosted ones because, again, I love that frosted look. but then I also now have the clear ones. So they're the same, they're just clear instead of frosted. And then I have the Monroe ones too. I believe when it says Monroe, it's got those little like diamonds in there. And I can't wait to design with all of these and some spacers that I got. I'll show you those. I'll show you those next, actually. Let's move on to the spacers. I haven't really browsed too much of the silver because I have a ton of silver and I really just like the uniqueness of the glass, but I could not help but get these little happy faces. So these little, I call them spacers. I don't know if they actually do, but they're like pretty big. Like I expected them to be fairly small, but they've got a pretty good size to them, just to put it next to a glass bead so you can see like they're decently sized, and I think they're just so adorable and they remind you to be happy, and who doesn't need that, especially these days. So here are these ones right here, caught my eye immediately, and hopefully you can see how beautiful those are. It's coming across a little bit red in my camera, but it is very much purple and pinks in this bead, and then you've got like that silver foil look going around. These ones are called Blush Earth Bead Snow, I believe. So pretty. I just am so in love with this bead right here. It's so bright and colorful and unique. Here's another set of beads that I purchased. These ones have something to do with Stardust, I believe, in their name. They're very pretty. It's like a really light lavender purple, and then you have some sparkle all along the inside of the glass. Yeah, I'm very excited to play with these. I feel like my window back there might be changing stuff, so I'll put my hand here so you could see. Absolutely love these. These beads right here are called Galaxy something, and it also has like purple, bluish, pinkish tones in the inside. I think it's so gorgeous. And then you have this like added detail in the glass that just gives it a different look too. And I absolutely love these colors. They're so pretty. Do you see like all the different colors in there? They're quite amazing. I can't believe how many like elf beads there are. I had so much fun browsing her website. Oh my goodness, I actually ordered from Elf Beads directly too. Just because there was something that was sold out, and then she told me that she got it back in, and I was like, oh, darn it. But it's okay. They have a lot of these like flower, it's called flower twig designs on a lot of theirs, and this one just has like a pinkish, palish color that kind of ombres around. Give you a better look here. What are you guys thinking? Have you been browsing? Have you been buying? I need to know all the things. There are these peacock looking ones, and so they have like peacock feather detail in there almost, and then you have these little dots on one side. I really, really like them. One of these is called the spring one, but they look the same to me actually. But she told me that she only had one spring, so I don't know what the other one would be called. And then she's so sweet. You guys are the best customer service ever. She sent me these as well because we just had a little bit of confusion with those, but she's like the best. And I love this swamp one right here. So gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to show these ones quickly because again, she had like a mystery gift with purchase, and these were part of those, which are really cool. But what I really, 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 really want to get into is the deal of the year. So actually, let's just jump right into that. So when you purchase a certain amount, I believe it's like $125, you get to pick a set of the deal of the year that you get for free, which includes 6 glass beads and a silver bead. Yes, I didn't misquote anything. It is 6 free glass beads and 1 silver bead, with the purchase of, I really believe it was only $125. It's pretty crazy. So this first set was the first one that I picked, and it has this cute little pirate crab. He's really cute. He might be good for a SpongeBob theme, or I just made a Moana theme bracelet, but I have another crab that I used for it, for that little dude in the movie. But he's so cute. He's got a patch on his eye. You can see the hat has a little pirate hat. Love him. But what I was really excited about were these glass beads that came with it. Okay, I'm gonna take them off the string so we could look together. I've like been dying to do this, but I wanted to, I really like the way it looks on this little ribbon. Give me 1 second, there you go. And I did not even know that Deal of the Year existed until I was watching Linda, her IGTV, and she was talking about all these beads she got for free from Elf. And I was like, what in the heck is this Deal of the Year? And then that next day, that's when I noticed that Mila had them. So I was like, okay, I'm ordering more. But so amazing. Just because of that pirate, this immediately reminds me of like the little octopus sections. But I think just because it was with the crab. And then I do not know what these are called. It just, you see what you're getting, you just don't know what they are. But again, that purpley, bluey, pinky vibe color that's in the background. And then this one right here, like the gold flakes in there. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. And again, this set right here, just for making that purchase. Beautiful. The next set that I ended up picking, I actually had shared a photo from Beads Candy Shop IG saying, hey, these are the Deal of the Year, go get them. And I talked myself into getting another one just because I love some of these. Like, they're ones that I would buy in their own, so why not take advantage of that deal? So let me take them off this too. So this is the set that came with that Deal of the Year. You have this silver bead, which is like a nice decorative bead right here. And then you have the glass beads, which you have this bubbly, blushy pink bead right here. You have this kind of like deep wine colored bead, but it's got some like dimension to it inside. And then these ones are the ones that I was just like, what is happening inside these glass beads? Like there's something that just catches my eye. I'm going to show you the side. It's got like this layered vibe to it too. Oh, just look at that. That's amazing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like on the side, it's just, what's going on in there? It just looks so pretty the way it gets magnified like by the glass. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it. I need to know the technique to know like properly how to give this bead credit for what it is. But that is it. These are what I've gotten so far from Elf Beads. I don't think I'm done. I am so thrilled that they're here. Again, thank you, Mila, Beads Candy Shop, for bringing these here in such wonderful deals, and it's just so, they're so pretty and they're so unique. And I know all of us Pandora girls are sad that we don't get glass bead options, and now we have plenty of glass bead options. So there you go. And they come with these amazingly cute pouches. I love the Petite one because it's in pink. And she just has all these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pouches that they come in. And yeah, that's my haul. I told you it was kind of a lot. Let me know what you think of all of these glass beads. Are you interested in elf beads? Have you been interested in elf beads? What do I need to know about them that I may not know? I want to know all the things because I am a little bit obsessed. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.